Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to install Steam on your PC. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, initially all you need to do is go to this website store.steampowered.com. You can simply pause the video and copy it. Once you've done that, you will be redirected to this page. From here, as you can see, lots of options, but right now all we want to do is install it. At the top right, you can see a few buttons, namely Install, Login, or Language. In case you want to change the language, simply click on this drop down and select the language of your choice. But right now, all I want to do is install it, so I'm gonna click on this button right here. Once you do, you'll be redirected to this page. Just click on Install Steam. Now, a file will be downloaded. Simply click on it and give your confirmation. Now all you guys need to do is hit on next, select your language. Do note that you can also change your destination folder. Right now it is okay with me, so I'm simply gonna hit on install. And guys, that is it. That is how you install Steam for your PC. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.